Hi, in this video we're going to show you a step-by-step process for setting up your DWKIT from start to finish. The first thing you're going to want to do is set up the DVR. This is going to allow you to see the cameras show up on the monitor when you're installing them and plugging in power to the cameras. Step 1. Supply power to your DVR using the 12-volt 3-amp power supply included in the box. Go ahead and untie your cables. I'm going to plug this into a surge protector. When you are plugging in your power supply, make sure that the green light on the power transformer is on. If not, this means that the plug is just not pushed in all the way. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in to the 12-volt DC port on the back of the DVR just under the power switch and switch the DVR to on. Step 2. Attach a display. There are two different options for hooking up a monitor or a TV. You have a main VGA out, which is useful for hooking up a monitor, and you have a BNC video out, which is helpful for hooking up a TV. In every system that we send out, you will receive a BNC to RCA converter. This is going to take this BNC video connection and convert it into an RCA connection so that you can attach a regular TV. If you are hooking up a TV to your DVR, you're most likely going to use an RCA connection. Using your own RCA cable, plug one end into the back of the DVR and the other end into the back of your TV. If you are connecting your DVR to a monitor, you're going to need to use a VGA cable. Before you connect your VGA cable, go ahead and turn on your monitor and then connect one end of the VGA to the back of the DVR. And you should have a video signal. Step 3. Attach the receiving antennas on the back of the DVR. In the box, you will receive 6 antennas. 4 of these are for the cameras, and 2 of them are for the DVR. You can connect these antennas by simply screwing them to the gold connectors on each side of the DVR. Step 4. Attach your mouse to the back of the DVR. There are 2 USB ports that you can plug this mouse into. For controlling the DVR, you also have the option of using the remote control. Inside the box, there are 2 AAA batteries that will power this remote. You can take off the back by simply pushing down on the tab. Put in the batteries. And close it back up. You might notice that even after you plug in your USB mouse or put batteries in your remote control, you're still not able to control the DVR. This is actually a built-in anti-tamper feature, and you can simply unlock the DVR by pressing Escape, Channel 1, and then Escape. To get started using the DVR, simply enter the password for the username admin. This default password is 6 8s. So that's 888-888, and click OK. So now that we have our DVR hooked up and running, let's go ahead and hook up some cameras so that we can get some video feed on the monitor. The first step in setting up your cameras is going to be mounting the bracket. Inside the box, you will receive a bag of 3 mounting screws, 3 drywall anchors, and a rubber washer to secure the mount to the camera. For this demonstration, we'll consider the camera mounted. We'll just go ahead and attach the bracket to the camera. Step 2. Attach the bracket to the camera after you've mounted the bracket. Take the rubber washer, press it onto the face of the mount. On the bottom of the camera, you'll see there is a hole that we can screw the bracket into. And we're simply going to push and twist. Once we've tightly secured the bracket to the camera, we can face the camera in whatever direction we need to be facing, and then tighten this knob. Step 3. Attach the antenna to the back of the camera. We're going to attach the antenna to this gold connector by simply screwing it on. Step 4, and the final step, is to connect the power adapter for the camera to the camera, and then plug the adapter into an outlet or a surge protector. I'm going to go ahead and plug in a camera so that you can see how it automatically pulls up a video feed as soon as you plug in power.